Good morning, Lods. Paano gumawa ng may kambal? May apps ba yan? Sabi ni Ma'am Norhata. So, Ma'am Norhata asking me about what I'm doing that I have a twin. So, guys, I will make tutorial about this. Just go to your CapCut and we will start, okay? Guys, you need to read your camera with the same angle like that. So guys, this is the finished product that I make in the CapCut for making video with my twin. So I will discuss to you how I did this one. So check this out, guys. Okay, so step by step I will explain to you what I did. Guys, from here we need to upload the two videos that the same angle. Okay, so the first one, we click this one. Okay, so this video that I make for the first one, so I need to cut this one when I'm already at the chair. So cut. So we need to split, and this one, the extra one, we don't need this one, so we need to delete. Okay, so that one, the first one. Okay, then we need to overlay the second one. Overlay, click the add overlay. The second one is this video. Add. So just give me some time, it's loading, guys. Loading again. Okay, you make full, and of course they have some extra. You need to cut this one. So you just cut when you are already in the chair and sitting down. Split, and the extra you need to delete, the extra video. And this one, click this one and scroll, double tap and scroll up until here. So now when they are together, click the overlay video, scroll the effects, guys. Just click the mask, this one. Click the mask and click the horizontal. So this one we need to use horizontal. So as you can see, guys, we need to in half, we need to scroll up like this. So as you can see, guys, and I think that's okay. So we need to be in the center. All right. So I think this one, guys, is center. Now what we need to do, guys, in order, guys, to check the brightness, so that as you can see, the guys, they are different color. So we need to make the brightness into adjust. So we need to adjust the brightness, guys. So in order to color are the same. So see, as you can see now, the color is the same now, and apply to all. So if you notice, guys, now it's the same now. See? So it's up to you if you talk or not. So it's like twin now. So it's very easy, guys. It's only like that. See, as you can see. And of course, cut the end. You need to cut from here. See, you need to cut from here, and then it's done. Now it's okay, guys, and we export after 80%, 87%. Now okay. So if we check in the video, so we will check for this one. We will go from here. See, as you can see, it's like twin now. So as you can see, guys, it's very easy. So if you understand my tutorial, so please don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.